Some of them knows this one, but some we don't. So we conduct and as a result, we lessen our limits, especially in things, pork, ketchup, and then and the cups. Alright. So this is just only an awareness. I think 3 of you. Because when I conduct this one, this is I conduct only with the cashiers. So being aware of the things that we're using. Okay? Don't use and then throw. Okay? Be aware of the things that you're using. Not only on this part, but also same when you use the soap, when you use the cleaning materials we have in the shop. So far, as a result, we lessen some of the items, but still not enough. This coming March, or starting this March, right? We also still continue with this one, and we still track, not only with the small condiments, not only with the condiments, but as your part, as being team members, you do your part. Okay? Simple as the right amount. Our sink, right amount of sanitizer, right amount of any cleaning material. Just a simple example, when you filter the machine, the machine, right? You have too much
Pero, may base filter.
Wala. Wala. No. Diyan na. Bye-bye. Mamaya, tignan mo si Kuya Ricky, oh. Parang bata.
Okay? So touch, you pick up the machine, make that like that. If you don't know,
Sergey, you take the lighter.
Lighter? Where?
1 liter per day.
Always take it to zero.
I miss rice, that's why I
You
took
have
a picture
filters,
from.
Steve?
But per gallon. Let's say per gram. This we could save. So we will continue saving at least if we can get the right
How many
Iwan ko yung quiz.
especially with the increases that we have. You know that some with these increases that we have in Egypt and some other countries like Libya, Bahrain, something. You know, it's add cost not only in our restaurant but in all American by at least 2 million Qatari riyal. Additional cost. So you know what is additional cost. That will affect every restaurant.
What can I say?
Ayan. Mudir kibir saitan.
Okay? So, what we do, at least if even we consume 2 million of additional cost, it will lessen our interest.
Ay, Steve, kunin
Everything
mo
that we
ngayon
have, we could save. Okay? Okay. What are still we need this coming Ferdy will take vacation. We will miss him.
What, sir? Again?
Ferdy will take vacation.
Kailangan pa ba i-mention?
Tapos, and then this coming March also, maybe we still have the next
Ganda
visit
ng
of
video.
RRP. Mr. Abdul Salam and Mr. Khalid Badea will come. Maybe on the
Ayun yung
third
binili ni
week
No.
of March.
Oh.
He's very happy. Mr. Abdul Salam will be free.
Elite our house, 7 o'clock. Too much traffic in their place, guys.
Samson, Nita, Rico,
يلا في الجولة
Three medium Pepsi for the customer.
Mamaya, si Kuya Ricky, tignan mo. Oh, ang gwapo na ngayon. Tanggalin mo yung ano para makita na yung bagong... Ah! Yun oh. Makita yung bagong ano. Pupunta ako dun, kuya.